What's up? What's up? Welcome back. So again, short, sweet, to the point. It is Easter, so this one might be one of the faster ones. But we're going to go over the expected moves for the market. I had a peek earlier. I know we're pricing in a bigger move at least, so that's nice because the last week's we were pricing in nothing. When I guess we got a little bit out of it, did we not? Give me 1 second. Let's just get into it. Spot, yeah, so we closed just outside of that. Tried to hold it in and rein it in. At the end of the day, we just melted off into it. So we're going to go over all these moves. See what we're pricing in for the week. Let's bring that back up and grab it first and foremost. So options, full week next week, so that's nice. They do expire on the 22nd. So Tesla right now, looking at a $76 move for the week. Interesting. We got earnings kicking things off. Oh, Tesla's got earnings. 420. So that's Wednesday. $76 move, huh? Where are we at? 985. Let's see if we can see anything loaded up. So right now we got a whole bunch of the 1050 calls. What do we got put wise? Not a. So way more calls than puts. Wow. Interesting. Anyway, let's get back to it. That's going to be a fun one. So, again, stick around. Tesla Tuesday. We'll be talking about that. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn the bell on so you know when that happens. But I do post this video every Saturday, and now there will be a Tesla Tuesday. And then we'll just keep adding to the calendar. So let's go IWM. Let's make this fast. All right, IWM is $5.99. QQQ. We are 1092, which last week was 9 something. A little bit bigger. Okay. SPY. 987. Now I do know the last week was 777, so we had a couple dollars more on SPY. Let's get that in. And we're gonna talk about this tomorrow on Don Fran's show. I'm hoping we're bullish at least. But so far, every rally is being sold into, so I'm thinking very early to be saying this. I'm thinking I'm bullish Monday. I'll short for turnaround Tuesday. If it plays out like that, it's going to be awesome because I will actually just leave my shorts on going into Wednesday. You know, stop in the green, go into Wednesday, and if we melt off the rest of the week, I'll just remain short. I'll just trail it. We'll be good. Probably looking for a strong like Friday close to push up to probably go back short if we're going to continue that game. We're kind of in an awkward spot. So if we're just taking back right here, we got this leg up and a pullback. As it sits right now, that's actually not that bad. For a bullish person, that doesn't look bad at all. Add in the rest of this, and we got some headwinds, some murky waters. Doesn't give off the strongest look. All right, so we got 987. And YouTube members, if you guys ever did click the join button next to the subscribe on Don Fran show, I just posted the link in the community tab, so you guys will have all my charts. And if you're curious about that, if you're in my mentorship or a member, like the paid member of the YouTube, they actually have this link. So they go to TradingView, they have my charts. Any ticker they type in, if I have a line drawn on it, they have it. So when you hear me talk about they have my charts, it's all of them. It's on TradingView. It's not literally a screenshot. You can change the time frame, change the ticker. It's just if I have a drawing saved on there. So QQQ was 1092. And let's say we're going to have to hit one of these lines regardless. Let's just say that was the game plan. I think it would make more sense to hit that one up there. I think if we sell off, we're probably going to surpass that. So if there's any tinfoil hat, they're gonna, control this narrative or anything. I bet they'd set it up, or it'd have to just be, if they're gonna just have a controlled sell off. If they just start wrecking lows, we're not even gonna think twice at these levels. We're gonna just blast right through them. We're right at the zones that I thought. When we talked about this leg up, I told you guys where did I want to buy, and it actually was right here. So over the weekend, I am bullish. That's everything we talked about. Was it last week and the week before? Because this really wasn't much of a pullback, and then we finally got it. All right, IWM was 1 penny shy of $6. Financials are in a zone right now, so if they're going to do anything, they better show up to play right now. And now's the time that they would. Well, their earnings sucked, but I'm just saying, like, them being in the zone, now's the time for them to show up. Now's where the buyers should be. So if that's any kind of good news, that'll kind of lead that market up. If you're one that trades like the weekly or something, man, that's not a good look. Almost rather on this time frame, that's bear flag stacked on bear flag. Like, how many of these you want to ride all the way down? So be careful with your positions. Always be mindful of your allocation. I have a playlist of how I trade stocks. It tells you guys how I manage my risk, right? Whether long or short, and my losses just are not big unless I'm trying to play hero. There's times I've definitely set myself up for that. There's times it's panned out too. But if we're talking about practices and just, how do you want to be here? Most of you guys are trying to trade for tomorrow. I'm trying to get you guys to be here next year. And there's things you can do now to kind of help that out. And then there's definitely ways to turn your phone into a casino. So trying to avoid that. But taking it step by step right here and managing your risks, very important. Because you're going to hear me talk about how I'm bullish Monday and hopefully turn around Tuesday. But there are certain decisions you're going to have to make on the fly. And if you can't do that because all you were doing was looking for like a call out on Facebook, not the Facebook ticker, but actually I see people asking for tickers on Facebook all the time. It cracks me up. For people they've never known, never seen, never heard of, never watched, nothing. Hey, what should I buy? And you're just going to take that word? I'll tell you guys right now, if you're new to my channel, my account is full of those people's accounts. So I don't mind it. Without them, I wouldn't be where I'm at. But I assume since you're here, you probably want to be in my shoes and not theirs. And that's how I would do it. Is I would just take it almost day by day. I'm on the small. I'm gonna look at the 4-hour daily time frame, but on the weekly, I know of a bigger look. That it's not the strongest. The last thing I'd want to be is buying, closing my eyes in the midst of a weekly bear flag. Oh, we're gonna fill the gap. All right, that's it. That's the expected move. So much for being short, sweet, to the point. So we're expecting a little bit more pricing and some volatility. We got a full week, so we're pricing it in. Everyone else, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Turn the bell on so you know when I do go live. But also, I will be live tomorrow. It is Easter, so I am going to go live. I am going to get to the point. Usually, I go live just to talk to you guys. This channel here is for pre-recorded stuff, so I can't just get to the point. Tomorrow, I'm going to go pretty quick. I got family. I'm sure you guys do too. So any plans like that, if you can't catch the live, at least the recap will be quick. So anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video.